Overcoming Virtual Distance with Tim, John, and Megan.
We do not all live in the same part of campus, and we do not all have the same schedule. Therefore, we can overcome this through the uses of the software we implement, and therefore overcome their boundaries, regardless of physical separation. Some of the software we will be using is Skype and Twitter.
Because of the small size of our group, it makes it easy to stay in touch and to plan face-to-face meetings. In this computer age, we are able to multitask through the use of Twitter. It is easy to use Twitter because we can tweet using our phone and the computer.
Organizational distance is the degree to which members of the team work for the same organization or multiple organizations. When the three of us use a logo and moniker of dynamic leadership, we are no longer Jonathan, Tim, or Megan. Rather, we're unified as a team and the distance disappears.
Much like ourselves, technology has grown alongside of us. Being a part of this society, we have all been used to working with new technologies, and we can move forward using these technologies.
While we do not downplay the role of the team, we are all individually responsible for the success of the team.
The fact that we've all been friends prior to this allows us to seamlessly mesh and be able to work together easily. We are all equal parts of the greater team effort.
Through the use of our software, creativity comes naturally. Through the use of Skype, Twitter, and Facebook, we can always stay in touch, and brainstorming is a must. No matter where we are, through the use of text messages and also the use of Twitter, we can always stay updated by tweeting through our phones, computers, or just instant messages.
As we use the different types of software, we are always exploring for new ways to improve our communication. We have discovered new applications from several different softwares. The internet has so many things to offer, we are always discovering new things. One application that we discovered and were able to use in this project was Prezi. It's helped us create Pikachka slide.
We have to keep our priorities in sight, and being member-driven helps us maintain our goals. Using softwares like Facebook, Twitter, and Skype allows us to keep in touch with one another effectively and efficiently. Each member of the group has their responsibilities, and through the uses of the softwares, we can check the progress of each member so no one falls behind. With the group working together, not as one, we will accomplish our goals in a reasonable time.
The softwares we use allow us to be open to new ideas because as we brainstorm and video chat, we are always bouncing ideas off each other. For example, we've been able to work from the ground up, starting with PowerPoint for our first slides, then going to Prezi to change up things to see how the Pikachka slides will work out, and now we become proficient in Windows Movie Maker. All of these have helped us develop and become better as a group.
There are several key ideas that must be maintained in order to have a successful high-performance team. These include developing a shared vision, deciding how to decide, and avoiding groupthink. These are all crucial in order to ensure that the team performs at the most efficient way possible.
Being a group of friends, we already work together pretty well and mesh even better than most groups do. So developing a shared vision was very easy for us. All we had to do was make sure that each one of us worked to our full potential, and the group succeeded just because we all did our work. So for us to develop a shared vision was basically just to talk to each other and keep up with our work on a daily basis.
Whenever we have ideas shared with one another, we have an ample amount of options to choose from. We will communicate and decide which idea would prove to be the most useful. Even if we change our thoughts, we can easily change the decision and save our old thoughts on Facebook or Skype. In the end, we will agree on our final decision after detailed discussions.
In order to not groupthink, we must not rely on one person in order to organize. We must work together and must make sure all of the group members are always in attendance. We will be more efficient if all of us work together versus if we let one person control the whole works.